Nathan Cox here. Thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Shark Rocket Pro. Now I also got this Samsung Light VS70, but I'll be doing that in the next video. So there'll be a link at the end of this one to show you the unboxing of that one, okay? Let's get back to the Shark. Okay, so here we go. The Shark Rocket Pro, this is a cordless vac. I got it at my local Walmart. It was like the best one that they had for the cordless vacs, or at least the most expensive one, but pretty sure also the best. I think you can find this on Amazon, and I'll try to find links for that and put those in the description down below. Okay, so right off the top, we got our little quick start guide, pamphlet. Oh boy, lots of stuff in here. Okay, looks like that's the power head there. All right, one of the poles. All right, looks like a crevice tool, I think. Okay, some more tools. This is packed pretty good in here. Okay, and down here, looks like we have the actual vacuum. Little tag in here says "Pull for max power." Okay, that'll be interesting. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's empty. Okay, now hopefully this is all pretty easy to put together. I just quickly looked at the instructions. All right, so here's our motor. All right, I believe this thing can be taken off and ran like a giant dust buster basically. So that part's going to be interesting. Power settings: carpet, bare floor, and off. Okay, so it's kind of like, Okay, here's our lights for our battery. So we're down to 1. I'm gonna get a full charge before I really test it. Okay, let's quickly open these up, or at least try to quickly. All right. Okay, so we have like a dusting tool here. I guess it turns. Okay, that's cool. Looks like our typical little crevice tool. Sorry, so you guys can see it. This is going to be our main wand, or stem of the thing. Big pole. All right, now the cool thing that I thought when I bought this is that this thing can bend, so it made it look like you can get underneath chairs and couches really easy. So we'll have to see how well that works. All right, just your basic adapter there to charge it with. Everyone's seen one of these. All right, now here's our power head. And it has pretty decent weight to it, so that's nice. Okay, a little light there, probably lights up when the power's on. Now these brushes are different. They're supposed to be where the hair, the dog pet hair, doesn't get tangled. So instead of like those little regular brushes, they're more like fins. So it's supposed to be a self-cleaning power head. So we'll have further tests on these as I use them. And if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I've got 3 dogs and a cat. So we'll have plenty of chance to see how well this does with the pet hair. All right, so I'm trying to assemble the main vacuum part. I think, okay, I just don't want to break anything. That just locks in like that. It stands up. All right, now this pole here, there is a plug-in little prods, you can see them. There you go, the little metal prods. And then this side, it's the opposite. So let's see. Okay, so obviously the bent joint here goes on top. So we'll have, because you can see the prods right there on the power head. So we're just gonna engage these together. Locks in really easy. Okay, now the top of the vacuum. Okay, I think we're basically done here. I think what you can do is you can take this off, like I said, like dustbuster mode, put the crevice tool in here. Yeah, Okay, so that's going to be kind of cool. Pull for max power. So kind of like your turbo button right there. And let's see here. Does this eject? There we go. Let me do that again so you guys can see it. There's a little eject button right there. Okay, to drop the filter off. Boom. Okay, so the filter's off. And it comes with some little filters right here. Exhaust filters. All right. So how do we open? Press latch on wand to remove hand vacuum. All right, so I think if we just do this, okay. And we can open to dump it. All right. Now this one here doesn't have a charging stand. It does say if you, let's see here, if you lock it together and then you bend it. Okay, so if you fold it down like that, this is how they suggest you charge it, because it does freestand like that when you fold it down. So that hose looks like it's decent quality. So where's our charging port? There's our charging port down there. And can we see the charging lights while it's folded like this? So they're just right down here, if you can kind of see. Yep, you can see them. And so when we get all three of them going solid, we'll be fully charged, and then we can give it a proper test. All right, now I'm excited about this. I think doing cordless vacuums is going to be like the whole new segment that's just going to pop up and really explode, okay? Just like how the outdoor power equipment has been all cordless here last couple of years, it's just been going crazy. I think these like vacuums and stuff for indoor of the house are going to be the same thing as these batteries keep getting better. We've got a great big old vacuum. It's a tank. It's super strong, powerful suction. It's lasted forever, but that's also the bad part. It's a tank. It's so huge and hard to always get out, you know. And so hopefully some of these new cordless vacs will, you know, be good enough to actually clean the house, you know, really, you know, get a good clean, and we'll see. So as I continue to make videos for this, like first use, and I'll be making a versus, you know, to that Samsung I just bought. These are both very close to the same price range. I'll be adding continued links to this video here. So check those out as I keep making them. You guys, thanks again.